This is a problem we often face in our daily lives. A broken zipper. It can happen on bags, jackets, or even pants. Another common issue is when the zipper head comes off the track. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to share a simple tip on how to fix it easily. You can try this yourself without needing anyone's help. The first step is to use a lighter to tidy up any loose threads coming out of the stitching. Why a lighter? Because it's more practical and efficient than using scissors or a knife. If those threads are left hanging, they can get stuck in the zipper and cause it to jam. Remember, use the lighter carefully and only as much as needed, so you don't accidentally burn the bag, jacket, or pants you're repairing. Next, position the zipper in an open state and make sure the zipper head is all the way to the end. Use pliers to press the metal parts of the zipper head that have become loose. Over time, the metal on the zipper head can loosen, causing the zipper to stop working properly. To fix this, gently press both the right and left sides of the zipper head with the pliers. This will tighten the metal again, allowing the zipper to function normally. Take a look at the result. The zipper is now working normally again. Now for the second tip, how to fix a zipper that has come off the track. The first step is the same as before. Remove any loose threads or tiny fibers around the zipper. Next, use a spoon to gently pry open the metal part of the zipper head. This makes it easier to insert the zipper track back into the head. Once it's slightly open, insert the zipper track into the zipper head. Make sure the zipper head is in the fully open position and pushed all the way to the end. Finally, press the metal part of the zipper head back together slowly using pliers. This will keep the zipper from coming off easily and allow it to work normally again. The result? Amazing! The zipper is back to normal and ready to use again. Now, I'd like to share another simple tip for a common little problem we often face in our daily lives. The zipper on these jeans is actually still in good condition, but there's one small issue that almost everyone has experienced. When we zip it up, sometimes the zipper slides down on its own without us noticing. This happens quite often, and if we don't realize it in time, it can definitely be embarrassing in public. To solve this simple problem, you don't need to go to a zipper repair shop. You can easily fix it yourself at home with a simple trick using materials that are easy to find. All you need is a rubber band. It's very easy to use. At the tip of the zipper slider, there's usually a small hole. Insert the rubber band through that hole and tie a knot. That's it, quick and simple. Now, every time you zip up your jeans, just hook the rubber band around the button of your pants. This way, the rubber band will hold the zipper in place, and it won't slide down on its own. Look, the zipper is now completely secure. It won't open by itself anymore, and it still looks neat since the rubber band is invisible.